Hi everyone, this is Sushmita and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Vlogmas series. Also, I have a giveaway at the end of the video, so don't forget to stay tuned till the end to know the details of the giveaway. Of course, as you can see from the title, today I'm going to be sharing my Myntra sweaters haul, like a try-on haul with you all. Now, Myntra is having a sale and you can get up to 50 to 80% off on almost all of the stuff which is available there. And it's winter, so I thought the best thing to do is pick up a bunch of sweaters, and I guess all of the sweaters which I picked up are under 500 rupees. They start from somewhere around 260 rupees and the maximum I have spent is 500 on these sweaters. Also, I will link all the products in the description box below, so do check it out in case you want to buy those sweaters which I'm going to be showing. And now, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I have like a bunch of sweaters. I guess I'm going to be showing close to 9 to 10 sweaters which I have picked up. Now, the first sweater that I'm going to be talking about is this one. So this is a hoodie. So this is what it looks like. This is from the brand Roadster. Yeah, so most of the sweaters that I picked out this time are from either Roadster or Dressberry. So this is what the sweater looks like. I'll give you guys a try on of this thing. Now, this is a cropped sweater. Now, I usually wear such cropped sweaters with either denims, like high-waisted denims or like that. Now, this thing looks so pretty. It's like such a nice whitish grey sort of a color. And the price of this one was 364 rupees. Now the material is really nice. It's nice and thick and it's like really good for the winter months. I absolutely love this sweater, so I picked out 2 more colors in the same variant. Now the next thing, again, I got the same sweatshirt in like 3 different colors. So this is the next one. So this is, again, it's a nice cute little hoodie. It's this similar sleeve. I really like this thing. It's like really nice and white. It kind of just gives a nice contrast to it. I've worn this pink hoodie in one of my previous videos, I guess, which has gone up during the Vlogmas series itself. And this is like so amazing, so comfortable. The material, as I said, of this is really nice. So this is also from this brand Roadster. The price of all the 3 hoodies are the same. It is 364 rupees. And I was like, if I'm getting 364 rupees with all of these hoodies, I'm definitely picking these up. Then I have this hoodie, again, the very similar hoodie with like a cropped sort of a detail and the similar this thing. So like it's a really nice bluish grey sort of a shade and I absolutely love this. In fact, this I think is one of my favorite colors out here because it's like it's got a very nice casual yet chic vibe to it, which is like so cool to dress it up or again dress it down. Now the next one that I have with me is again, it's from Roadster. So this is again another very nice jersey sort of a sweater. This is what it looks like, and again, it's super nice. I love how the sleeves look. I love every bit of it, and the color. My god, the color is like so nice, so neutral. You can like literally again wear it with almost all sorts of bottom wear. Now the material of this one is a little bit thin, so it's not gonna be like very useful during the very colder months. You can wear it, you know, like in the early December or like the late January. This is a little bit again see-through, so you might have to wear like an inner inside of it. Now this one was for 389 rupees. Again, super nice, super soft, super comfortable, and it's like perfect to dress up. I've worn this in one of my previous videos, so yeah, this is really nice and comfortable. Now the next thing which I have is this black and green striped sweater. So again, a full sleeve sweater, and I really like these stripe detailing on here. By the way, all of these sweaters are in the size of small because they kind of fit a little bit loose on me, and I really like my sweaters to be a little bit loose. So all of these are the size small. And this one is again from Roadster, and the price of this one was 263. So again, this is what it looks like. Now I absolutely love the color. Like this black and green is like, it's very casual. It's not very, you know, like dressy sort of, but it's absolutely perfect for, you know, like a casual movie or just going out in the winters. And also the material of this one is pretty thick, unlike the previous sweater that I showed. So this one is pretty thick. You can just wear it with some innerwear and it's gonna look so perfect. Now the next sweater that I have with me is from Tokyo Talkies, and this one is like so pretty. I absolutely love this black, pink and white detailing going on in here. Again, full sleeve, so nice and pretty looking. I absolutely love this one. Of course, what am I doing to my sweater? I'm literally scrunching it. Anyway, so this one I got for 283 rupees. Again, I mean, just look at the material, just look at the quality. It is like so good, and for 283 rupees, I just feel it's a steal deal. So the next thing that I have is again from Roadster. I've picked up like so many sweatshirts from Roadster. So this is what it looks like. And this one has like a boxy sort of a feel. It's pretty loose. Actually, I bought it in the size small and then I had to kind of exchange it with like an extra small because this one fits really large. So like you have to go a size down in this one if you're purchasing this. And again, I absolutely love the color. It's like such a nice olive sort of a color, olive green. Now this one was for 340 rupees, and again, as I said, all the sweatshirts that I've picked up this time, all of them are under 500, and I think they are like so worth it. This looks so cool. Like, you can just pair it with a light blue denim or even like a white denim, and it's gonna look so fabulous. Now the next sweater that I have is from this brand called Raspberry. In fact, I think Raspberry, Roadster, Tokyo Talkies are like one of the best brands out there from Myntra. Raspberry is like a little more expensive. I mean, it's not very expensive, but it's a little more expensive compared to Roadster. Roadster is like one of the most affordable brands you'll find on like Myntra. And this is what the sweatshirt looks like. And oh my god, again a very super pretty looking one. It's got this really black color thing and then this pink detailing. This thing got me sold. I absolutely love this. It's like in a really nice bright fuchsia sort of a color. And again, this was in the size of small, and the price of this one was 390 rupees. And now coming to the last sweater of today, I was kind of saving the best for the last. So this is what the thing looks like. Oh my god. I mean, I don't know if the camera is doing enough justice to this, but this is like my favorite. It's like this really cute peachy sort of a color. It's almost light peach, and then it has these pearl detailings which kind of look so fabulous. I mean, I don't even know whether I'll be able to wear it outside, thinking yeah, someone will throw some kachra at this and it'll just get ruined. This is like the most delicate thing I've seen. It's so pretty. I really like the neckline as well of this one. It's got a really nice high neckline. This was from the brand Muston Harbour. Again, this was in the size of small, and the price of this one was 512 rupees. This is like absolutely stunning. I mean, of all the sweaters that I've owned over the years, this is like one of my absolute favorites. The best thing is that the material is like really nice. I was a little skeptical if I'm buying something for less than 500, the material will be good or not. I mean, if I feel cold if I'm going outside in these, but I have worn like a lot of these already, like outside ones, and they do really feel comfortable. I absolutely love these sweater kind of t-shirts. Like during the winters, I don't have to wear extra layers of sweater. I can just wear these sweater shirts and it's gonna look so pretty. So yeah, those are sweaters that I had bought and I wanted to share with you guys. I absolutely love the quality and the material of these, especially for 500 rupees. In fact, less than 500 rupees, I think these are absolutely worth it. Coming to today's giveaway, I will be giving away Nykaa vouchers worth rupees 500 to two of you people. This giveaway runs from the 10th of December to the 25th of December on both YouTube as well as on Instagram. The details of the giveaway will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out as well. So yeah guys, that was all for today's video. If you guys like this, then don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to mention which was your favorite product from today's haul.